everybody, welcome back. We're in the home stretch of talking about attitudes and beliefs based on my newly released book, Rise. My name is Tim Schneider with Aegis Learning, and today we're going to talk about an interesting one. It is peaceful and productive as a replacement attitude and belief for busyness. I have been around so many people, very close, my mom was one, that are just addicted to busyness. They are just not happy sitting, and I'm not happy sitting either, but you know what? You gotta pay attention to what you're going after. Busy, for busy's sake, does no good. Some people use it as a coping mechanism. Some people use it to deal with grief. Some people do it to avoid having to do anything, kind of difficult. But we want to shift our focus, our attitude and belief into productive, still getting stuff done. We're not going to stay in bed all day, and peaceful. And that is, when we blend those together, what that's going to create for us is a very focused approach that challenges us to think about, what are we busy at? Yeah, it's great you went to work. It's great you worked hard. What did you work hard at? We have to be concerned with what was the objective, what is our vision, what is our ultimate kind of end game, and how do these activities serve that? Really reconciling what you're doing on a daily, regular basis to your overall big purpose, your why, is so incredibly important. Does the laundry need to be folded? Yes, it does. Does that relate to my why today? Does it relate to my higher purpose today? Probably not. It can get folded tomorrow just fine. And the other part of that about adding the peaceful element, you've seen these people when they're in that busy mode. It's almost like it's adrenaline driving. They're going like 100 miles an hour here, there, everywhere. And man, I tell you what, that is the most counterproductive approach you could possibly do. Now, we don't want to lollygag, great word. We don't want to lollygag towards our things. We want to go at them with a sense of purpose. But we also don't want to be scattered and shooting all over and flitting all over the place, half-assing some of the things that need to be done. We want to be peaceful at it. That is that kind of reconciliation of, this is what I want to get done. Here's how it serves my purpose. I'm going to be peaceful, methodical, and incredibly focused on this. The rest of the stuff I will take care of as I need to take care of it. So really, in the coming weeks, think about how many times you get sucked into that busyness kind of thing. And really then go back and think, well, how did that serve my purpose? And really spend some time in identifying those purpose and those key objectives you want to hit, and go about it in a focused, peaceful, but yet still productive kind of way. One last little tip: don't hesitate to take some rest time. A little bit of downtime, a little bit of rest time, a little bit of recharge time is absolutely critical so you can get back to that productive and peaceful mode. You know what? You can't run on empty. So taking a little downtime, make sure you get your rest, very, very critical too. Well, I hope you have a great week. I hope you can shove aside some of your busyness, replace that with an attitude and belief of productive and peaceful. And I look forward to the next time we're together. We have 2 attitudes and beliefs to cover, and then we're going to have a really exciting shift on a new series. Take care, everybody.